had all three eating, but by the time I went and got my camera, my cell phone, come on. Come on. Let's eat. Come on. Let's eat.
All right. Are they eating?
They were, but by the time I went and got my cell phone,
Come on. Come on. You just want to come over here. Here. I had enough. I've had enough.
there he goes. He takes a little nibbles.
Mm-hmm.
When I first put it down, they were all eating.
Well, I could see what they were eating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They want to lick you, not the food. There we go. We got two of them again. Somebody's always got a clown around.
Back up, huh?
It looks like he's ready to pounce this one.
Like, okay.
Oh, look at that
Okay, we need to
baby.
get her inside.
Look at that
It's almost
baby.
7, honey.
Okay, I'm coming.
I want to get these other things done. Yeah.
And we're